Are you getting error code NP-102946-2 with a please install the latest update file message? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Connect to the internet and try updating. The NP-102946-2 error on your PlayStation 5 indicates that you need to install the latest update file. So first, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is connected to a stable internet. You can try connecting other devices to the same internet and check, or visit speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. Once the test is done, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select Software, Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update Using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. If an error occurs during the update, go to the next method. If you are connected to PlayStation Network but can't access the home screen, turn off your console. Press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Your console will start in safe mode. Now select Update System Software. The console should download the update file and your system software will be updated. If this method doesn't work for you, move on to the next method. Method 2. Check free storage space. Navigate to PS5 settings, select Storage, check the available free space on your console storage. If there isn't enough space, delete unnecessary data or move data to a different location to free up space. To delete the games or applications, open Storage, then head to Console Storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the game or app you want to delete and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. To delete saved data, select Save Data from Console Storage section. Select PS5 games or PS4 games. Select the Delete option. When you delete saved data from your PS5, it removes your game progress, settings, and any other data associated with that specific game. Once done, try to update again. You can also delete Media Gallery to free up more space. If the update is in progress, wait for it to complete. Make sure not to turn off your console or interrupt the update process. Method 3. Update via USB drive. You can also try downloading the software via USB drive. To do so, turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. On a PC or Mac, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive that has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside this folder, create another folder and name it as Update. Now download the update file from here and save it in the update folder. Name it as ps5update.pup. Make sure there is 1 GB of free space. Now plug the USB drive with the update file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device, and then select OK. If your PS5 console doesn't recognize the updated file, ensure that the folder names and file names are correct. Use uppercase letters for the folder names and file names. Method 4. Contact support. If the methods shown previously couldn't fix the issue and you are still getting the same error, contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. Follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code NP-102946-2 with please install the latest update file message. We hope one of these methods has worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.